Hey everyone, it's Thomas here, and today I'm going to be going over how to reduce data usage on your iPhone running iOS 13. So, we have 5 ways, and here's number 1. So, what we're going to do is we're going to head into Settings, General, and we're going to go to Background App Refresh, and we're going to shut this off, or we can also turn it on to only Wi-Fi. Number 2, we're going to go to Settings again, we're going to click on Notifications, and we're going to go and you can tap on an app and disable notifications for it. So just tap on the app and disable notifications. It's going to save you data because the app will stop contacting its server for notifications. Number 3. Now this is going to save us a lot of data because your phone likes to download things using cellular. Open Settings, scroll down and find iTunes and App Store, and turn off automatic downloads for app updates. Also, you're going to want to scroll down a little bit. Using mobile data, just turn off automatic downloads to stop your phone from downloading things when you're not on Wi-Fi. Number 4, open Settings, scroll down to Music, and tap it. And now we're going to go over to mobile data. We're going to turn off high quality streaming. Now, what this is going to do is basically when you stream music, it uses your mobile data. But high quality music uses a lot more mobile data than low quality music. So it's just going to stream low quality music. So you can still listen to your music over cellular, but it'll be lower quality and use less data. And optional is to also completely turn off streaming over data. Number 5, some apps have built-in data saving features such as Instagram. So open it, head to your profile, tap the 3 little bars on the top right, and tap on Settings. Now tap on where it says Account, and tap on Mobile Data Use. Here you can set it to automatically use less data. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.